We would like to introduce Duke and Smokey, two of our newest additions on the homestead. Fun fact, even though a turkey's egg is only 50% larger than a chicken egg, it contains twice the amount of calories, fat, and protein. These birds will help with 3 major obstacles on the homestead: meat, eggs, and additional income. If you've made it this far, really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching our content. If you like this content, please consider subscribing, as we're attempting to grow our channel. For now, we'll leave you to the birds and their noises.